Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to use RecyclerView Prefetch for prefetching a text item which has string, so that we can render those string on a background thread. Like I don't know how it works internally, but here is some simple RecyclerView which I have, and I'm just displaying some text element, random text element. Okay, not much to this RecyclerView. So let's get back to the code for a bit. So RecyclerView is only used in XML layout, but if you want you can use Jetpack Compose as well, but then you will have to use an Android view to embed your RecyclerView. I don't want to get into that, so that's why I've created a simple XML layout project. And here inside our res layout activity underscore main, as you can see, I have just taken one RecyclerView to occupy the entire width and height, and this is the layout manager as a linear layout manager for our RecyclerView. Then inside text row item, I have just taken one app compat text view. Now given that there is some bit of code like pre-computed future, something like that, we can't use normal text view. You will have to use app compat text view. So this can be an advantage or disadvantage depending on how you look at. Okay, next you will go to main activity. Firstly, these are all the imports which I will show you, and here I have just taken RecyclerView variable. Here I have taken one list, so these are the list items which are populating inside our RecyclerView. You can take it whatever you want. I was just being lazy, that's why I have taken this particular random numbers like 1 to 17. Here we are initializing our RecyclerView. Then here I have created this custom adapter object. For I have created another Kotlin file class and just assign that adapter to our RecyclerView. So this should be pretty much similar to how you set up a RecyclerView. Then here I have taken our custom adapter. So again, these are all the imports. We just take one list. Okay, here we create our view holder, then we create a view holder class as well, and here we are initializing our text view. Make sure the type of this text view is app compat text view. That's what we are using over here. Then inside on create view holder, we are just inflating our layout view. So I am passing text row item and on bind view holder. So here is the important part. We are using, so instead of setting text normally like view holder dot text view dot set text, we are using this set text feature, which like with the help of background thread display renders our text on that app compat text view. Even I am not really sure because typically you render your UI code on the main thread, right? But this somehow uses the background thread. I don't understand, but yeah, in case if you have extremely complex strings, you can use this particular approach. And here we are using pre-computed text compat dot get text future. Pass your string to this, and here you will have to pass this text matrix parameter compat, and this will be null. And here we are just passing our item count. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.